Today we're diving into two space launches that have captivated space enthusiast interests around the globe. I'm talking about Blue Origin's latest achievement and SpaceX's Flight 7 of the Starship program. Let's get started. I'm Ben, this is Physics or Bust. First up, Blue Origin, the private spaceflight company owned by Jeff Bezos. They conducted a major test launch earlier this week. The mission featured their New Shepard suborbital vehicle, which is part of their program to revolutionize space tourism and research. The test was a resounding success, despite one piece at the end, showcasing upgrades to their capsule and booster systems. During this flight, the New Shepard rocket climbed to its standard altitude of about 62 miles, which is the internationally recognized start of space. Notably, this mission featured upgrades to their reusable rocket technology, which aims to reduce the cost of space access. And after delivering its payload, the rocket did return to Earth for a vertical landing, but it did miss its target. Blue Origin's continued success with the New Shepard rocket is solidifying their place in the race for being the private company to do space travel, much like SpaceX and Virgin Galactic. How big of a step is this for making space travel accessible for all of us? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And speaking of SpaceX, Elon Musk's ambitious Starship program has hit another milestone with Flight 7, which took off from Starbase, their test facility in Boca Chica, Texas, earlier this week. Each flight test marks critical steps in SpaceX's mission to make the human race multiplanetary. For this flight, SpaceX tested key systems aiming at improving Starship's orbital capabilities. The massive rocket, the biggest that's ever been made, successfully reached its intended altitude. And the Starship's Super Heavy booster also completed a controlled descent and was caught by the insanely cool Mechazilla arms. After that, things didn't quite go as planned. While in flight, there was a fire that started inside the ship, resulting in what SpaceX likes to call a RUD, Rapid Unscheduled Disassembly. Basically meaning the ship broke apart and fell to the Earth in pieces. While kind of cool to watch the fireworks display of the ship coming down, not really what we wanted to see out of this flight. The ship did have a payload intended to imitate having a shipment of the Starlink satellites on board. Although this flight had problems, I still wouldn't call the flight unsuccessful. As I've said before, a big part of all these test flights is the gathering information. We want the problems to happen in these early stages before Starship really takes off or has people in them, so that the data gathered in these flights can help inform all the problem solvers in SpaceX as to what needs to change so that future iterations are safe and efficient. SpaceX has long-term goals with the Starship program, including lunar missions with NASA's Artemis program, and eventually crewed missions to Mars. While each test flight brings its challenges, it's clear that SpaceX is inching closer to making science fiction reality. These two launches by Blue Origin and SpaceX underline the incredible strides that have happened in order to have private space industry. Each launch brings us closer to a future where space travel isn't just a dream for a select few, but an opportunity for humanity at large. The advancements in reusable rocket technology, safety, and scientific exploration are nothing short of groundbreaking. Which of these two space launches excites you more? Are you Team Blue Origin, Team SpaceX, or are you, like me, just excited to see the space race going? If you enjoyed this video, I think you'd like this book. I have an affiliate link in the description below. I do get a small commission, but it doesn't cost you any extra. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, keep asking questions. I'll see you on the next video.